Welcome to ETOP Controls. With industry roots dating back to 2003, our core team has accumulated over 2 decades of expertise in thermostat development and intelligent climate control solutions. Today, we are a professional OEM and ODM partner serving global HVAC markets. Operating from an 8,000 square meter manufacturing facility, ETOP has established a complete production system covering SMT assembly, injection molding, and final assembly. With multiple automated lines, we achieve a daily capacity of more than 5,000 units while maintaining stable quality and reliable delivery. Supported by an intelligent ERP management system, we achieve efficient material control and real-time warehouse management. Sensitive electronic components are stored under strictly controlled temperature and humidity conditions to ensure product consistency. Quality validation is central to our process. In our advanced validation lab, we integrate automotive-grade standards like APQP and FMEA. Every design undergoes comprehensive EMC, radio frequency, and climate testing to ensure absolute hardware durability. This commitment continues on the production line. Every thermostat follows strict IQC, IPK, and FQC procedures. Through rigorous environmental simulation and aging validation, we ensure stable performance and long-term reliability throughout the product lifecycle. Backed by robust supply chain management, our quality system is certified to ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 standards. Our products comply with international requirements including CE, RED, UCA, TUV, ETL, FCC, ROHS, and REACH. We continuously improve product security, supporting compliance with emerging cybersecurity regulations such as the EU Cyber Resilience Act (CRA). Our R&D team integrates proprietary adaptive PID and PWM algorithms for superior energy efficiency, alongside seamless connectivity via BACnet, Modbus, KNX, OpenTherm, and comprehensive wireless integration including Wi-Fi, Zigbee, LoRaWAN, RF, and Bluetooth. With over 2 decades of experience, ETOP Controls continues to provide professional thermostat solutions for residential, commercial, and smart building applications. We are proud to be the trusted manufacturing partner for leading HVAC companies. ETOP Controls, your trusted partner for professional thermostat OEM and ODM solutions.